Hi, so my name is Saurav and welcome to another video of Element Solutions. And this video I'm going to show you all how to customize lock screen wallpaper. So to customize lock screen wallpaper, all you have to do is just go to Windows settings from here. All we have to do is we'll go to a personalization, and here we'll click on lock screen. And we can see over here that we are getting these three options: Windows Spotlight, Pictures and Slideshow. So Spotlight is basically that the images that is coming from the Bing wallpaper. So we can, it is changing automatically. So if you want to set it, you need an internet connection so that the wallpaper will keep changing. So if you don't want that, if you want to customize, if you want to set any particular picture in the lock screen, all you have to do is you can choose the picture option from here, and you can choose any of the picture by clicking on the browse button. And you can choose any picture from your local machine, right? So I'll just choose this picture and just choose this picture, and you can see that it is loading, and now it is setting my lock screen wallpaper. So usually it doesn't take this much of time. Maybe in your case it might not load this much of time. So this is how you can customize the lock screen wallpaper, guys. So that's it for today, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you. So do not forget to like and subscribe. Until then, stay happy and love to learn new life and technical difficulties. Bye.